welcome back.
And we can edit it.
Welcome back to another video. Yeah, we are unboxing this, and yeah, get ready. Yep, let me open it. Yes, it's from Blue Tag. You can see it. Yeah, got the little tag. I'm gonna show you that right now. What do you want to think? Let's see what's in here. Okay, I see like a little hammer. I don't know what it is, but this is it. Got just that right there. That's sick. It's the old campfire from the tag when the first got here. And now the Dr. Bug. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the kick on. Open it. How to get them out? There we go. Right here, Dr. Bug. Right here, it's like so. You can open the wings like that, and it comes with little wings. So cool because yeah. So and it says number June 2nd. Yeah. That could do it. Should Blue Tag on the back, but right here the bag is right here. And yeah, you like that video? I'm gonna post do good. And I hope you guys have a great day. We feel made, so kind of feel bad, and peace.